If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. There are some commands in the menu bar that can help you adjust the pixel selections that you make. You can take a selection and expand it to select all pixels of a similar color that are adjacent to the selection by choosing Select, Grow from the menu bar. You can also select to expand the selection to all pixels of a similar color anywhere in the image by choosing Select, Similar from the menu bar. You can apply a feathered edge to a selection to smooth the hard edges of a selection. Feathering provides a transition area between the selection and the surrounding pixels. However, this feather area can lead to the loss of details at the edge of the selection. To feather an existing selection, choose Select, Feather from the menu bar to open the Feather Selection dialog box. Enter a pixel measurement value between 0.2 and 250 into the Feather Radius field, and then click the OK button. You can also apply a selection border of a specified width around an existing pixel selection to create a selection border so that only the pixels between the two borders will be selected. To apply a border to an existing selection, choose Select, Modify, Border from the menu bar to open the Border Selection dialog box. Then enter a pixel measurement value between 1 and 200 into the Width field, and then click the OK button. You can also apply smoothing of a specified pixel radius to an existing pixel selection to smooth the selection and remove jagged edges. To smooth an existing selection, choose Select, Modify, Smooth from the menu bar to open the Smooth Selection dialog box. Enter a pixel measurement value between 1 and 500 into the Sample Radius field, and then click the OK button. You can also expand or contract the selection edge of an existing pixel selection by a specified number of pixels to enlarge or shrink the selection. To do this, choose Select, Modify from the menu bar. Then choose either the Expand or Contract command in the side menu that appears to open either the Expand Selection or Contract Selection dialog box respectively. Then enter a pixel measurement value between 1 and 500 into the Expand By or Contract By field in the respective dialog box, and then click the OK button to expand or contract the selection edge by the number of pixels specified. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.